Hi! Okay, so for today, we're going to have an experimentation about how to separate mixture. We're going to make first a salt solution using water and of course salt. We just have to combine this first. Combine salt and water. Make sure that the salt is dissolved properly. So I think this is okay now. We'll just stir it well, so that the salt will not just settle down, so that the salt will mix thoroughly with the water. We will use a separation technique, which is boiling, so that we will separate the water and the salt. Of course, water here, when it's heated, the water will evaporate, while the salt will be the residue. It will just remain here. Warning, you have to be careful about using fire in your houses. Ask for your parents' assistance.